I agree with Jacob Medeo. There's a common denominator running through all these projects that they are meant for people to eat and fatten themselves as if they will be slaughtered for the butcheries. That's the common denominator. Ever wondered why, when teachers wanted 37 billion, it looked like they wanted 370 billion? 51 days, the doctors are on strike. Kenyans are suffering. We talk of 5 people dying of famine. How many people have died because doctors are on strike? How many families have sold their only property, even land, to take their loved ones for care because government hospitals are not fine? Yet, do you know how much money the doctors are demanding? 8 billion shillings. In a country where people pump billions in useless projects, why would it be so difficult to pay doctors just 8 billion extra in a year? You know why? When you commit 8 billion into people's salaries, that's not something you will eat. If you had 8 billion as a government, as Jubilee Moses Kuria here, if you gave it to doctors, then nobody will eat it because it will go to the doctor's bank account. But if you put it in a project, 8 billion, the project is worth perhaps 1.6 billion. The rest is for people to eat. And this is why I'm saying we must begin to love our country. Even kidogo too. Let's just have some little love for this country. Because if we continue the way we are continuing, look, lecturers are now on strike. Nobody seems to care.